If you're a man and you don't wear jewelry, you are killing your style. Killing it, ruining it. All of the hard work that went into the outfit that you are wearing, if you're not wearing jewelry, you might as well throw all that effort out the window. Jewelry is not feminine. Jewelry is not cheesy. Jewelry is everything. Let's talk about it. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Like I said in the intro, today we're talking all about men's jewelry. How important it is, how awesome it is, and some of my favorite jewelry pieces. But before we get into that, if you're new here and you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the freaking crew. We post videos every single week and it would be absolutely awesome to make you a part of the crew. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, now let's talk about men's jewelry. So if you don't know this already, jewelry is an essential piece to every man's wardrobe. You have to have jewelry. If you don't have jewelry, you are lacking a very, very important piece to the puzzle. Wearing jewelry literally takes your style and kicks it up to the max. By simply adding a piece of jewelry to your outfit, you are literally taking it to a whole new level of stylish. What was a normal, simple outfit now becomes a really cool and way more stylish outfit with a piece of jewelry. And not only that, allow me to let you in on a little secret. Come in closer. A little bit closer, right there. Women find it extremely attractive when guys wear jewelry. It shows that you know what you're doing when it comes to your style game, which women love. It gives off the impression that you're confident enough in yourself to wear a piece that most men wouldn't typically wear. And it can make you look like a badass. Just saying. And with that being said, if you're looking for some amazing jewelry for the price point, you have got to check out Rose Gold & Black. Rose Gold & Black is today's video sponsor, and they sent out 3 awesome pieces for me to show you guys today. First up, we have the Lava Stone bead bracelet. The lava bead bracelet is extremely lightweight and very subtle. But on the opposite end of the spectrum, the amount of detail in this bracelet, this little bead bracelet, is absolutely unreal. On the bottom, we have a stainless steel rose gold plate with the Rose Gold & Black emblem imprinted on there. And then on the end of the drawstrings, we also have stainless steel rose gold beads. Most of the time when you see bead bracelets, they're on an elastic band, but not the bead bracelets over at Rose Gold & Black. All of their bead bracelets come with this drawstring tightening system, and it's actually a rope all the way through. The string runs all the way through. There's no elastic in this thing. It's not cheap by any means whatsoever. It just feels very, very high quality. And I think the details such as the drawstrings, the gold plate, and then just the quality of this thing in general really show that. And not only that, every single one of these pieces from Rose Gold & Black came in a leather carrying case. Like a nice little leather drawstring pouch that tightens up. This is crazy. This is nice in and of itself. Next up, we have the double band woven leather bracelet. Let me get this thing out of this lovely leather pouch for us. As you can see, this leather bracelet is very casual and it is so cool. And unlike most woven leather bracelets, this actually has an adjustable strap. Most of the time when you get a woven leather bracelet, they don't usually come off very easily at all. The rose gold clasp is adjustable to small, medium, and large wrists. And as you can see, it is engraved with the Rose Gold & Black logo. Overall, this is just a absolutely killer piece. Alright, and last up we have the black wing necklace. Out of all 3 pieces, I think I have to say that this one is my favorite. I absolutely am in love with long necklaces, and they freaking killed it with this one. This is unrealistically nice. This is a stainless steel chain necklace in polished gunmetal black. This necklace is so awesome. I can't even begin to describe how much I love this necklace. It feels nice and weighted, not too heavy. It's not gonna hurt your neck to wear it, but it feels like it's quality. It doesn't feel lightweight and dinky and cheap. And I mean, just look at this wing pendant. Just look at it. Look at it and enjoy it. Soak it in. Are you loving it as much as I do yet? I hope so. Alright guys, and like I said, all these pieces are absolutely freaking unreal when it comes to the quality based on the price point. They range from about $45 to around 60 bucks each. And really, when you boil it down to the quality of these pieces, that's not bad at all. These pieces are gonna last you. These pieces are going to be a part of your wardrobe if you take care of them for a really, really long time. And for 45 bucks, or 60 bucks. That's not that much money for something that's gonna last this long. And if you head over to the Rose Gold and Black website, which I will have linked for you in the description, they're running a crazy deal right now, which is 25% off select items. You can get these pieces for even cheaper than what I just told you. So head over to the Rose Gold and Black website, guys, and get yourself some awesome jewelry. All right, guys, and before we close out this video, let me give a huge shameless plug to Rose Gold and Black for sending out all this stuff for me to check out and show you guys on the channel. I am in love with their stuff. I will definitely be purchasing some more jewelry from Rose Gold and Black in the future. And in the meantime, I think you should too. That wraps it up for today's video, guys. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below and you can see when I post a video next. Join the crew family. As you know, we have huge things coming to this channel in 2018. And if you hit that subscribe button, then you can be a part of it too. Also, give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Drop your comments in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm out.